YouTube. I want to get on here and do a quick unboxing. You know me and my reviews. So I am here to open it. So if you want to see what's in here, keep watching. So let's go ahead and cut this baby open and see what I got. I hope my husband's not watching this. Okay, so it's opening. Let's see. What is it? I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so I purchased, it's the Coco and Eve hair conditioning treatment for your hair. Let's see, it's a deep conditioning treatment to improve the health of your hair, infused with coconut, fig, shea butter, linseed, and argan oil to strengthen and restore hair to its pure virgin state. So it's like a virgin again. Have y'all seen The Bachelor? Oh my God. Okay, so the instructions are as followed. Shampoo as normal, apply Coco and Eve using the Tangle Tamer provided, evenly distribute and leave on for 10 minutes. For even better results, leave overnight. That's probably what I'm gonna do, because I'm trying to grow my hair out. If you guys know, if you wanna go check out my Sugar Bear hair, go ahead and click the card up above so you can watch that. But yes, so I want it as healthy as possible so it can grow as long as it can. And it also says rinse hair with warm water and style as normal. Use at least once a week to maintain your healthy locks. So like I said, I was just opening it to do a quick unboxing, and I'm probably gonna do the video of like actually showing you the before and after. So this is what it comes with. It says, we're coconuts about hair. And on the inside you get this. Your unbelievable, amazing hair journey starts here, inspired by. It kind of gives you like a little rundown on what it is, inspired, the ingredients, and then share your results. And then on the back it has like tips on what to do with it. Okay, so you get that. And then here comes the actual goodie stuff. Let's see what it smells like. Coco and Eve like a virgin. That's so cute. Okay, so oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so it has a little plastic seal on top, and then there's just a little lift where you can lift it. You guys. Oh, that smells so good. Now I'm so excited to use it. Okay. So it smells like, obviously, coconuts. Oh, that smells so good. Okay. So it comes with that, and then it also comes with a taming brush. And it says Coco and Eve. So it comes with this. I'm excited to use it. It feels so good. Okay, so that is it, you guys. I just wanted to get on here and do this unboxing and show you guys what I got. I will be doing a review on it just to show you guys how to do it and the outcome of it, if it actually works, if it doesn't, whatnot. And there's different, let me see, it says it's sulfate free, paraben free, 100% vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free. This product, okay. Recycle, do not litter. I love that. Okay, so yeah. So I'm excited to use this and let y'all know what it's all about. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.